Do you guys see a dashcam on my 2021 Toyota 4Runner? I don't see a cable. I don't see a bulky camera, but I actually do have one. And let me show you some actual footage. Alright guys, so here's everything came out in the box. They included this cell phone mounting stand, adjustable, there we go. So they included this, and they also included a USB card reader right here, the harness, a prying tool, a manual, and of course the mirror shroud with a camera in it. And they also included a 64, I think, yeah, 64 gigabyte memory card right there. Alright, so I have not removed one of this in this particular vehicle, but the way I look at it, it seems like we have to go transfer the clip here from the original mirror shroud. And it seems like this one, as soon as you line this up, it's gonna go up to install it, and it's gonna go down to remove it, right? Hopefully we're not gonna break this. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot. Oh, by the way, they are included this, but I don't think we're gonna need that for this car. So all you have to do here is put your finger there and then try to push it down. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's easy. There you have it, guys. So yeah, this is the OEM. This is the OEM with camera in it. I love it. All right, let's go ahead and transfer this to clip. Maybe we're gonna need to use this tool to remove this thing. Oops. Careful here, we don't have a spare. We don't want to break this. There we go. And put this one here. There you go. And we're gonna do the same thing here. There you go. It came out easily, and it's gonna go in also easily. There you go. I'm gonna turn this off because I don't want this thing set some trouble code. Yeah, so I think we have to go unplug this connector right here. Yep. And we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. There we go. And this guy, it's gonna go plug in here. Maybe this way. Yep, nice and easy. And pick up the camera and the shroud and line this up. This guy can go in only one way. Make sure it's all connected and tuck everything in. There you go, guys. It went in nice and secured. I'm already connected to the internet. All you have to do is go to Wi-Fi, look for card cam, select that one. It's gonna ask you for password, which is 1234567 8. Yep, and all you have to do is join and you're good to go. Now let's go ahead and connect the camera. Select join. There you go. Now we are connected. All right, this is pretty clear, guys. Wow, that's in front of my house. Look, guys, it's so clear you don't even see it. I don't even know that I do have a camera up there, you know. This is what I called aftermarket OEM. FITCAM figured it out. It's just like when you install the hitch and then harness is included. All you have to do is install that harness and pretty much plug and play. It's the same difference here. It's awesome. It's super clean. If you prefer to have a screen, they provided you this. You can mount this whatever you want. Hook up your cell phone and you do have a screen, but in my opinion you don't need that, because when shit happen on the road you can easily remove this memory card. That's why they provided you a USB card reader, and then plug it to your computer and then watch your video. And one thing I forget, guys, don't forget this thing right here. It's still easy to remove, but it's a lot easier when the camera is not installed. Yeah, don't forget that.